Lessons 5 through 7 for grades 4 through 6 are all about gratitude. Before I review the lessons, please know that while we suggest pacing times for each lesson, you can absolutely chunk up the lessons or narrow them down any way you need to meet the needs of your classroom. Lesson 5 is called The Road to Gratitude. For this lesson, we recommend you dedicate 40 minutes, and you may need chart paper and markers, a whiteboard or smartboard, and dictionaries or computers are optional. In this lesson, you'll start by reviewing what they learned in lessons 1 through 4, which is all about well-being, mindfulness, and setting intentions. Then you'll discuss what gratitude means, how it makes them feel, and how they currently express gratitude. You'll then have the option of using movie clips to spark thoughts about gratitude, or a read aloud. Finally, students will learn that there is actually scientific research on how showing and receiving gratitude affects not just our mental well-being, but our physical well-being as well. Lesson 6 is called Expressing Gratitude. For this lesson, we recommend dedicating 40 minutes plus extra time for students to create their expressions of gratitude. You may need dictionaries or computers, chart paper and markers, and a whiteboard or smartboard. Materials for this lesson will also vary depending on how your students decide to express their gratitude. This lesson is all about your students brainstorming who in their community they are grateful for and why, and then deciding on who they want to express gratitude to as a class. You can also choose to allow students to choose who they want to express gratitude towards on an individual basis. Then, once students have decided, it's time for them to create their expressions of gratitude. And lesson 7 is reflecting on and celebrating gratitude. For this lesson, we recommend dedicating 40 minutes, and you may need chart paper and markers, a whiteboard or smartboard, and copies of the gratitude reflection sheet for each student. This lesson allows your students the time and space to reflect both together and independently on what they learned about gratitude and their experience with expressing gratitude. This gives your students a chance to really internalize their feelings about gratitude and how they made others feel, which adds to the well-being of the experience and the likelihood of them expressing gratitude more going forward. And that's your review of lessons 5 through 7 for grades 4 through 6. If you need any further support, please contact us through the Education Plus website. Also, please know that we are truly grateful for all of your hard work and dedication to your students. And remember to express gratitude towards yourself as well. Take care.